Here's how to replace a rear wiper blade on a Hyundai Santa Fe. I have a 2017, but this may be identical to your vehicle. So all you have to do is pull your assembly up. Now you could, if you want, take off this cover here, though you don't need to. It does expose a bolt if you wanted to take off the entire unit, if you needed to replace that as well, but I'll leave that on. So just pull that up. The blade itself will swivel, and what you want to do is pull that until it comes to this angle, and then it should just be a matter of lifting it straight off of the shaft. So it should slide right off because there is a post in there. It goes into this insert. To install a new wiper blade, just make sure you have kind of this thick part facing up, and you want to just do the reverse, keeping in mind that post going into this insert. Slide it in until the post snaps into place. Bend it over so it's flush. Put it back down on the window and you are done.